Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video. This time I'm out in the workshop real early Sunday morning, and I want to show you what I'm up to today. Yesterday, Saturday, in mid-afternoon, I went and cleared out this whole section behind me, which I'm not going to show you just yet. I put everything on this side of the workshop, and it's pretty clean behind me. So I wanted to show you what I'm doing. I am painting the floor. I just got done touching up some areas, as you can see, nice and wet areas along the edge there. And the reason why it's blue, well, there's two reasons why it's blue. One, Walmart had a clearance sale of $5 a gallon. So I figured I'm going to go ahead and buy it. And for the color, because it's bright, it is better than what I had right there. Because when you drop a screw down, it's kind of hard to find it. So you know how I drop screws and stuff on the floor all the time. So hopefully this will be a lot better for me. Now, I painted at 3 p.m. Saturday afternoon. Now it's like 9 o'clock in the morning Sunday. So I'm walking on it with my socks, because you can feel it's like a little bit not tacky, but it needs to dry some more. And I don't want to put my shoes. It's kind of moist outside today, so I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. But what I want to do today is, of course, finish painting the rest. But I have to move everything back over to this side. So that's what I'm up to. So I can paint this floor. Yeah, like I said, it's just something I wanted to get done. And when I built this floor up, I put plastic down, brick, and everything else to level it out. And there's joists all through here, well, every 12 inches. And then I wanted to paint. There is like 1.5 gallons of that color paint on this floor already. So I figured right now I'm down almost to a half point on that gallon. So no matter what, I'm going to finish that gallon off. And then I have one more gallon to use. It's only $5 a gallon, so you can't go wrong. And it's already mixed and it's good paint. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. And I know everybody has these in their workshops and garages and stuff, all these little drawers and stuff. One of these days, I'm going to take the time and I'm going to dump all those drawers out and reorganize. And then my daughter's going to bring over the label maker. And I'm going to put a label on it. It's going to say short Phillips head screws, coarse threads, nuts, whatever. So instead of playing a guessing game for hours, you hear my grandson, Taven, get down. Get down. But alrighty guys, I figure I'll go ahead and film this real quick to show you what I'm up to. And I'll be talking to you.